Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install WordPress on your Namecheap domain. So let's begin the video. First of all, you're going to open Namecheap's website, go to the top left and sign into your Namecheap account. Once you have logged into your Namecheap account, on the left click on hosting list. It's going to show you all the domains and hostings that you have. So in my case I only have this one, infinitygamers.com.pk, and I am going to install WordPress on this domain. Before installing, I should tell you that there are two ways to install WordPress. The first way is to use Namecheap's own software, which makes it much easier to install WordPress and do all the configuration between WordPress and database. So if you're new to WordPress and not that much technical, you should go with this approach. However, if you want to manually download WordPress and then install on Namecheap, in that case you need to do a lot of settings with the database and its connection. So in this video I am going to go with the simplest approach, where I am going to use Namecheap's own software to install and configure WordPress. For that, on your hosting list, select the website and go to cPanel. So it's going to redirect us to the cPanel of that particular domain. From here you're going to scroll down. In the script section you're going to see WordPress. If you cannot see, maybe the script section is minimized like this, so you're going to expand the apps installer and WordPress should be present. So we're going to click on WordPress. Here it is showing WordPress, so you can read all the details that you want to. So for me, we're going to click on install now, and here we need to do some configuration. First of all, we're going to select the installation URL. In my case it's infinitygamers.com.pk. If you want WordPress to be installed on the main directory, then it's going to be your domain name. If you want it to be installed in a subfolder, like if someone opens infinitygamers.com.pk/blog for an example, then WordPress will be installed in that blog folder. So if you want to install in a subdomain, you're going to type or enter the URL here with the /, but I'm going to install WordPress on the main domain. After that you need to select the version. So in my case it's 6.6.1, which is the latest version of WordPress as of now. If I go down, you have some settings regarding site and admin account. In site name you can enter your site name whichever you want. In my case it's Infinity Gamers, which is mainly your business name, and your site description, which both of these things you can change later in WordPress settings, so you do not have to worry about them. In admin account you can set your admin username, so I'm just going to type admin, and here is the password. So I'm going to most probably change this password. I'm showing it just for this video. Just make sure that your password is strong so that no one can access it, and the password that WordPress generates is usually very strong. So after that you need to enter the admin email. You can also change the email as well, but admin@your domain name is perfect. If I scroll down, you need to select your language. You can select your plugins, and you can also change these plugins. For me, I don't want this Extendify plugin. For you, you can use it. You have these advanced options. You can select a theme as well if you already have one. But in the next video, I am going to show you how you can buy a premium theme and how you can install it on your WordPress website. So make sure you like the video and enable bell notifications so that you get notified for that video. Lastly, if you want to email the installation details to any email, you can enter it right here, and after that we are going to click on install. You can see checking the submitted data. This may take 3 to 4 minutes, so we are just going to wait until WordPress is installed and configured. So you can see how fast it was. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So if I go and open the domain name, you can see it has already installed WordPress for me, as you can see right here with the default theme, which means that WordPress has been successfully installed on your domain using Namecheap. If I scroll down, this is the admin URL. So if you want to go to the admin, the easiest way is to go to the URL of your site, type / and just type wp admin / and search for it, and this will open the admin URL of your WordPress site. And again, the username and password is the one that you set when you are installing WordPress. So I'm going to enter mine. After successful login, you can see we are inside our admin's URL of our website, where you can install different themes, plugins and so on. So you can customize your WordPress website from here. And if I go back to the cPanel page, on the top we are going to have a button saying WordPress Manager. If you click on it, it's going to show you your site's name, and you can see it's showing it's up to date. If you click on the expand button, it's going to show you all the details of your WordPress site from the cPanel view, like auto upgrade is enabled or not, search engine visibility, WordPress cron, debug mode and all these different things. So it also shows you the database on which WordPress is connected to, and you can clone it, stage it and so on. So if you want to uninstall this WordPress site from Namecheap, you can click on this uninstall button and then remove it. So yeah guys, in this way you can install WordPress on Namecheap domain. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comments section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.